Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Whether you're craving savory treats, indulging your sweet tooth, or opting for something healthy yet mouth-wateringly delicious, you're in the right place. I'm Core, your culinary companion on this flavorful journey. On this channel, we keep it simple, sharing easy recipes that anyone can master, savory or sweet. We've got it all covered. But here's the best part. It's not just about the taste. It's about the experience of creating something amazing right in your own kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and let's embark on a culinary adventure together. Get ready to turn simple ingredients into extraordinary flavors. See you in the kitchen.